everyone, Lucas at Laminex, and today I'm here with my 2021 Subaru WRX. It's my daily driver, and I've removed the front bumper on it today because we've recently installed this LED light bar here, and it actually sits right behind the front bumper. And although it does a great job of providing me with more visibility at night, I think that I can actually make it look a little bit more cool and send a bolder statement by installing some yellow Laminex onto our LED bar. The yellow Laminex is going to help me customize this a little bit more. Like I said, help me send a little bit more of a bolder statement while I'm driving this vehicle. And also right now this projects a bright white light, and if we cover it with the yellow Laminex, it's actually going to project a bright yellow light, and the bright yellow light reflects off of rain, snow, fog, or basically any inclement weather conditions better than the stock white light does, and it will actually provide me with greater visibility into the distance during those inclement conditions, more so than the stock LED light. So not only does this help me customize my vehicle, but it's also a practical mod to help me see more into the distance and possibly provide me with better safety at night. So I've cut down a universal sheet of our yellow film that fits exactly to the size of this light bar, and today we're going to be installing that. If you guys want to find out more about our Laminex products, check out the video we made all about yellow Laminex and go to our website for more. And without further ado, let's get into this. So I already cleaned the surface of our light to remove any dust, dirt, lint, or debris from being on the light, because when we go to install our Laminex, you don't want that debris to get trapped underneath the adhesive, because that could result in a poor installation or damage the film. So we've cleaned up our light with nothing more than just a paper towel and some water, and I've made sure my hands are clean as well. And now I'm going to start removing our Laminex from the liner. And as I'm removing it from the liner, I'm just going to ever so slightly soak the adhesive part of the Laminex just a tad, because that is going to help us get it in position just perfectly without putting too much wear and tear on the adhesive. So now that the adhesive part is all wet, I'm just going to start lining up the Laminex. So I'm going to take the top part of our Laminex and kind of just start on this end, slide it underneath, and start applying it down with nothing more than my fingers. Now I'm just going to follow it all the way down, making sure both the top and the bottom are completely lining up. All the way down, running my finger all the way down the edge here, making sure it's all lining up. And if it does get misaligned a little bit, you can pull the Laminex back up gently, realign it, and start to apply it back down. And because this is the exact shape of our light, we won't have to do any trimming. Alright, so we have our Laminex down. Now we're just going to gently take our water and we're going to spray just slight water droplets on the outside of our Laminex ever so slightly. And we're going to take the corner of our squeegee, kind of an edge here, and with a moderate to firm pressure, we're going to make sure this is completely applied down, all the way down the LED light. Squeegeeing all that water out top to bottom here with a good amount of force, but not too much, kind of with good moderate pressure, being sure all of it is applied all the way down. Alright, so now that we have this all squeegee down, our yellow Laminex is now installed onto our LED bar. As I said, this was an easy, cheap way to customize our lights on our car, and it's also very practical, as I'm going to be able to see in inclement weather conditions much more greater than I would have before or with the stock light. If you want to find out more about our yellow Laminex, watch our full video on the yellow Laminex product, or go to our website laminex.com to find out more. If you have any questions about the product or the installation process, please give us a call, hit us up on live chat, or email us at help@laminex.com. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and take care.